Well, hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna explain how you can repair the battery of Moza Aircross 2 gimbal. So if you are having similar problem like me, then you can fix it pretty easily. So follow all these steps and you're gonna have the battery fixed. So let me firstly address what the problem is with the battery. So in my case, actually what is happening when the battery gets low and the gimbal says the battery is low and I connect it to USB, it charges for about 30 minutes and it gets full, and the charging always starts from 50% or from 75%. So a battery that is fully drained, it should be recharging from 0% as reported by my gimbal, but it recharges from 50% mark or from 75% mark. So if you have this kind of problem, you can fix it pretty easily. So I'm gonna guide you step by step, and if you follow them, you're gonna have your battery fixed pretty easily. So if you have skills, then you can do it pretty easily. So first of all, you have to open the battery pack, and for that use a flathead screwdriver and put on the either of the sides. Do not put screwdrivers on the top and bottom side because we have some circuit board over there. And do not worry, just put the screwdrivers on the either of the sides and you're gonna hear some cracking sounds. And don't worry, because the plastic is really sturdy and it won't break. So don't hesitate and put your screwdriver in and pry it off. After you open up the battery, you're gonna see two batteries, two 18650 batteries along with two circuit boards. So one of the circuit board is actually with LEDs, is the main circuit that controls the charging, that converts the 5 volt or the USB power and recharges the battery. Now the second circuit board is actually used for the protection of the lithium ion cells. So the main circuit here is the one with the micro USB connector. It is also a quick charging unit, so when you connect it to a quick charger, the voltage bumps up to 9 volt and it actually helps to charge the battery pretty fast. So as soon as I got access to the batteries, I firstly took my multimeter and started measuring the voltage of the 1865 cells. And as soon as I connected one, and I measured the voltage 4.1 volts, and the next cell was only 3.5 volts. So I suspected the cell was problematic. And as soon as I detected that problem, I replaced the cells with the some old batteries, 18650 batteries that I took from the old laptop. But still these batteries are okay, and I soldered it, and everything just went pretty smoothly. So just after replacing the battery, I just saw that everything started working again. I connected it to charging unit, and I also have that USB detector thing, or the USB multimeter type of thing, connected to the charger, so we can monitor the voltage and ampere. So you can see it is charging at 9 volt because it is quick charging. And I just tested everything and everything started working again. The battery started from 0%. I actually drained the battery completely and recharged it again, and everything worked quite smoothly. So the problem was actually the battery itself, and after doing these steps, I fixed it pretty easily. So I hope you're gonna fix your own battery. If you cannot fix your battery, then give someone else and say that to change the batteries, and they're gonna have it changed for you. So this is how you can do it. So I hope you like the video. If you find it helpful, then please like and also subscribe to the channel.